How to create COD account. So if you want to create COD account, then first of all, open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for COD, which is Call of Duty. And then here you can scroll down and here you will have www.callofduty.com. You can go for login, and here you want to create your account, right? So you can scroll down and here you will have sign up option. Go for sign up, and now scroll down and here you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and then again you have to retype your email address, and after that you can click on sign up, and here you have to enter your information. So you have to enter your Activision ID and then your first name and last name, and then click on next. And now you have to enter your date of birth and then select your location and again click on next. And now you have to create your password. So make sure to create a strong password, and then you can click here, which is I'm not a robot, and then click on next. So you have to click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then again click on this box and now click on next, and that's it. That's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.